Boone Jenner goes over into the left wing corner with a puck. Got it out to the blue line. Quick shot. That one just deflected wide right.
Boy, that got deflected down. Just missed that post.
Rise up.